Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious split pea soup. First, rinse 1 pound of split peas under cold water to remove any debris. While soaking is optional, it significantly reduces cooking time and helps achieve a creamier texture. For best results, soak your peas in water for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This simple step makes a big difference in the final dish. Once your peas are ready, it's time to build the flavor base for your soup. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 cup of chopped onions and sauté until they become translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for just 1 more minute until fragrant. Finally, add 1 cup each of diced carrots and celery, cooking for another 5 minutes. Now let's bring everything together. Drain your soaked split peas and add them to the pot with the sautéed vegetables. Pour in 6 cups of your preferred broth, either vegetable or chicken, ensuring the peas are fully submerged. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer gently for about 45 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. After simmering, your split peas should be tender and the soup thick. Season your soup with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. For a fresh burst of flavor, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped parsley just before serving. This hearty and comforting soup is perfect for any meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade split pea soup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.